Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to immense hair growth with the top 13 essential nutrients. If you're tired of weak and lifeless hair, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First up, biotin, often known as vitamin B7. Its primary function is to strengthen your hair, promoting growth from the roots. Next, we have vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant aids in the production of collagen, essential for healthy hair growth. Zinc, a mineral our bodies need, is crucial for protein synthesis, promoting hair growth. Quinoa, a superfood, is rich in iron and promotes a healthy scalp, ultimately enhancing hair growth. Collagen, our body's natural protein, helps create a strong foundation for hair growth. Don't forget about vitamin E. It improves blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to your hair follicles. Another essential nutrient is omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fish like salmon, they nourish your scalp and promote hair growth. Iron is vital. It transports oxygen to your hair follicles, supporting hair growth. There's vitamin A too. It helps sebum production, keeping your scalp moisturized and promoting hair growth. To combat hair loss, consider incorporating selenium, a powerful mineral that helps strengthen hair follicles. Silica, often found in bamboo extract, is excellent for promoting hair growth and maintaining healthy strands. For those struggling with damaged or weak hair, keratin is a must-have nutrient. It strengthens and repairs your hair shafts. Last but not least, protein. It's the building block of hair, so make sure you're getting enough in your diet. There you have it, the top 13 essential nutrients for immense hair growth. Remember, a balanced diet and proper hair care routine are key to achieving those luscious locks you've always dreamt of. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and secrets. Until next time, take care and embrace the journey towards healthy, gorgeous hair.